This beauty is a 1965 Corvette Stingray Convertible, silver in color. Has the 396 cubic inch engine, 425 horsepower. So this is a very capable car. Beautiful paint job. Love the wheels and the side exhaust. Engine compartment is absolutely spotless. Now you see one of the highlights of the car is the beautiful red interior. Four-speed manual. Just love that contrast between the silver and the red. Red line tires. Filler cap here in the back. I really think it's one of the nicest Stingrays around. Those wheels are particularly cool. And another look inside. Beautiful Vette.